Hey, what's up, guys? It's me. Okay, guys, I'm back. No, mister. What is... Oh, crap. Okay. Let's get back to the video. I don't know why that one worked. What happened? Well, okay. Let's get to the video. Okay, let's go. Let's go kill some people. Turn my mode on. Yeah. Hold up. Okay, guys, I'm back. It loaded, and this guy killed me because I wasn't ready. I was waiting for this ish to load, and he started. Just let's reset. Okay, so yeah, that went bad. I'm supposed to be the one killing people. Okay, lag. I'm supposed to be the one killing people. I'm lagging hardcore. Stop lagging. Okay, so I'm just that. Okay. Hold up. Before I go any further. Okay, let's go. Let's go wreck some people. I got the Rasengan, I got the Rasengan, the Rasen Shuriken. I have some Taijutsu and some Earth Style. If any of you like anime, tell me in the comments down below. Okay, if you like anime, tell me in the comments down below by saying taco. Just say taco. Just say taco if you like anime. And if you like if you freaking love Naruto, say taco 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Go. Ah, no, I did not mean to do that. Help! I need to find someone. Okay. There's usually people here. Rasen Shuriken. You'd think it would be throwable. You would think that, but no. Okay, let's go. I killed, so the kill count. Okay. Substitution jutsu. Oh, never mind. Chakra run. If you didn't know, you can run while loading your chakra. It's a secret technique. Legit, it's a technique you have to do with a keyboard. And this guy, I think he's slick. He murdered those two and ran off. That's my job. I need to go Rasen Shuriken on this man. Yeah, where is he? There he is. Okay, so the Rasen Shuriken has a cooldown, but the normal Rasengan, legit no cooldown. Let's go, and then he keeps dodging my Rasengan, and this takes a lot of chakra, which is annoying. Oh, you think you can use fireball on me, dude? No, you ain't gonna use no fireballs on me. I'm about to use this nice Rasengan. Okay, let's I need to start one. Okay, I might chase this guy for the whole video. Rasen? What? Does life legit... Okay, I can't move my camera because I need both hands to do that secret technique. What? Wait, how did that miss though? How? Okay. That's just okay. Stuff happens in life. Just use that. I might have to chase this guy the whole video. I'm gonna kill you just because. No! He used the Kumai! Crap, I hate that move. It allows the user to run away. Run away like a chicken. Go bop, 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 bop. It's that guy again! Get over here! Rasengan! Nowhere to run, nowhere to run, nowhere to... I said nowhere to run! Oh crap, oh no, this is bad. This is bad. Okay, that was an explosion. That guy angers a lot of people. I mean, he angered this guy with the Sage of the Sixth Path style crap, and now he angered me because he didn't anger me, I just like kill people. I freaking hate. Crap, I hit the wrong person. No, what is... Is Drew? Don't. Okay. Can't touch this. No. I lost him. Okay. Let's just go. Oh. No, you kill him. And now because you kill him and I wanted to kill him. BAM! Crap. I have no stamina. I tried to use that kick. I guess our Rasen Shuriken will do. Okay, let's go. Come on. What? Okay, so legit what happened? I need to watch this video again because I need to know what happened. I'm just forever falling. I can't even do it. This is what reset is for. Not even falling. My head is just floating in the air. Okay, I'm back. No, don't freeze me. Okay. So I'm just slug sit. No. They have angered me. Bijou Chakra Mode. For you people I don't know, that don't watch Naruto, Bijou means tailed beast. And this is the tailed beast thing. And look what it can do. Rasen Shuriken. That's it. You saw it. A throwable golden Rasen Shuriken. This is the normal Rasen Shuriken, and that he had in the first couple episodes of the. That he had in the first. This is the first version. This is the highly advanced Rasen Shuriken. The cooldown is amazing though. I'm kind of glad it has a cooldown because the issue's OP. You get hit with it, instant kill. You just get touched by the explosion, at least half damage. Like legit, it's OP. But no, that's not gonna cut it. We need to go for the highly advanced Bijou Chakra mode. No. No, you don't get the satisfying of the kills. I will. Enjoy. Okay, so he angered me. So, now, I will sync with Kurama. And Kurama is Naruto's tailed beast, for you who didn't know. And Kurama is basically 9 tails. Kurama is the name of the nine-tailed beast. Okay, this is Kurama! Oh crap, okay. Look at this beast! Did you see that? Do you see that? If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And you know, YouTube is really annoying. So it doesn't notify you if you subscribe, it still doesn't notify you. So you have to subscribe and you have to ring that bell next to the subscribe button. Okay? You have to ring it. You have to press it because YouTube's annoying. No! Block's annoying. Block. Rasen! God dang it. Okay. This is embarrassing! What? I pressed E. I was pressing E. Gara's annoying. This is why I want Gara as a companion, because it's freaking amazing. Legit one-shots people. It's like the Amaterasu or something. Okay, so. Okay, I've mostly been the one getting wrecked in this video. But I swear. Kurama, why you don't work? Screw it. Wreck this guy with the crystal style. Crap. I'm off my game. Usually I'm wrecking people left and right. It's because this map's so big. Let's try. Actually, no. No, I'll try this. I'm gonna do Sand Village next episode. I'm gonna do the Sand Village next episode. Cause, yeah. Kurama! I swear if this guy has the Kumai, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, okay. So. You just saw the awesome power of the Kurama. Of the nine-tailed beast. So. Get, what was this? What was his Sharingan? No, it disappeared before I can see. I think it looks like the normal Sharingan. The normal Sharingan is kind of OP. Where do you think you're going? Yeah. How you doing? Let's go. Crystal style. Right. Ooh, let's go, dude. Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude. Come on. No. No. Not the person I wanted to hit it with. No. What? What is this? Oh, he got hit with the Rasengan. Crap, I keep it. You know what? I'm just gonna go by. Whoa. I'm still loading chakra. I don't even have a kick again to activate. What? I'm already dead, my dude. Okay, so we've just about run out of time in this video. Hold up, let me wait for me to respawn and then I'll do the outro. Okay, so we've just about run out of time in this video. See you next video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and remember to ring that bell, okay? Because you want to know when these videos are uploaded. I mean, I'll end it off with the Kurama wrecking someone. Hey, it did wait. Okay, so bye, oh god. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video before bye, Senjor.